Off the coast of Sicily, in the heart of the Mediterranean, rises a mountain of fire that has burned for more than 2,000 years. This is Stromboli, one of the world's most active volcanoes, erupting almost every 20 minutes. At night, its glowing lava can be seen from miles away, earning it the name the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Generations of islanders have lived under its light, a mixture of beauty and danger that defines their home. On Stromboli, the earth never rests. It breathes, it roars, and it reminds us that the planet beneath our feet is alive.